Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials, how to zoom out and zoom fit. To zoom out in SketchUp, you can use zoom tools, click at this icon, and then you can click on drawing area, hold, move the cursor to the bottom to zoom out, and if you want to zoom in, you can move the cursor to the top like this. Okay, you also can use middle mouse, you can scroll up to zoom in and then scroll down to zoom out. That's it for basic navigation SketchUp. And if you want to zoom fit or zoom extend, we can use these tools. Zoom extend, click, it will be automatically show the models in your drawing area. Okay, this is for zoom in and zoom out, or you can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. And the other option, we can use this tool to zoom extend. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials, how to zoom out and zoom fit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.